how to create a MySQL Database user in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page in GoDaddy. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which brings us to this cPanel settings page in GoDaddy. On the main dashboard, scroll down and click on the MySQL Databases option. Now you will enter the Databases page. Scroll down slowly until you find the Database User section. Here in the first field, enter your database username. Next, in the password field, type a strong password. Re-enter the same password in the next field to confirm. Now click on the Create User button. And done. MySQL Database User has been successfully created. You can now see the user listed under the Current Users section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.